South Shore in Hingham. Big tree came right down onto some power lines and crashed into the roof of a house on Pioneer Road. The fire department there tells us wires started smoking, but luckily didn't spark a fire, and no one inside the house was hurt. More damage in Brockton. A tree crashed onto this SUV there on Belmont Avenue, and police say the driver did suffer minor injuries. Keeping with the South Shore right now, we head to Scituate. That's where we find WBZ's Jim Smith live for us tonight. How's it looking there, Jim?
Hi, Paula. Well, down here on the South Shore, it wasn't really the snow. It was the high winds and the heavy seas. Tonight, everybody is drying out and thankful that this storm is moving out. A mid-March nor'easter pounding the South Shore from Scituate to Hull, up and down the coastline. High winds and heavy seas combining to create a storm that was potent but could have been worse. How long have you been here? Mark Connerty lives right on the water in Scituate on a stretch that's ground zero for destructive waves, but no damage this time. You get a little worried.
Yeah, you do, because you don't know what it's going to be like. It could be anything from high wind to snow to rain to flooding. And we got lucky today. There wasn't a lot of flooding, and the snow basically turned to rain.
There was some flooding here and there, but nothing really serious. The locals have been through this plenty of times.
This wasn't a big one compared to some of them. Back in 1978, this was the only house left on this stretch of beach.
Wow.
And this year we only lost one shutter.
There was some serious damage to a home in Hingham. A huge pine tree came crashing through a roof and into a little girl's bedroom, but nobody got hurt.
A tree came through our roof, so it went through the attic and through my daughter's window, her bedroom window, but no one was hurt. Everyone was downstairs, so, you know, damaged, but everyone's safe.
So you can see how ferocious the winds were for several hours throughout this area, but tonight everybody is fortunate and feeling lucky that it wasn't even worse. Not the worst storm in the world, but bad enough. Live in Scituate, Jim Smith, WBZ News.